Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I gonna show you the tips to tab groups on Mac with macOS Monterey. Also, we can do it on iPhone and iPad as well. Let's check out quickly. First, here's my Safari browser's startup page on my Mac. The startup page on Mac Safari customization is the same as earlier. But here's another option for sync your startup page on all devices. We will check this on another video. But the cool thing here is redesign tab and address bar structure. We can directly search and open the website. Then add a new website by click on the plus sign given in the corner. Then you have an option to the search website. Then the first tab will move to the side and arrange automatically. Do the same for open multiple tabs, so here I am doing the same. Now, here are multiple tabs that are open on my browser. Now, let's make a group of these all tabs for convenience to open another tab. Click on the down arrow side, next to the sidebar icon. And see the option for new tab groups with tabs. Now, all the tabs saved in this group. Give meaning full name and hide this panel using the sidebar. Now if you want to switch to another tab, then again click on the down arrow icon and select tab's group name. And open another tab. If you want to create a new tab group, then here's the option. Now, suppose you are confused about which tab saved in group, then here's a quick preview option to see all the tab grouped into. Just click on the group tab name and click on the preview icon next to the name. See all the URLs in the preview. To remove tab from the group, move to the preview screen and click on the close button to remove the selected tab from group. To add a new website URL in group, just click on plus in the preview tile and open the website that you want to add to group. Here's another search feature, search tab in group using the search option under the preview screen. Search with the website name and open from you got in a result. That's really helpful to edit tab groups. Another hidden feature is to arrange tabs in group by website or title. Right-click on tab and see the option there under the Arrange Tabs by. Other settings are move tab to another group, then close this tab, close other tabs, close tabs to right. All the option is very helpful for the action on specific tab in group. Next, we will see how to rename or delete tab groups from the Safari sidebar. Open Safari sidebar and right-click on tab group's name and see the option for rename. Give a new name and hit the return to save. Next is reorder the list, just drag the name using cursor arrange in priority. Now, another important option is to copy all tab URLs, then save and share with others. Right-click on group tab name and see copy links option. Now, all the links are copied and pasted when you want to save them like notes. Or send in email messages. Mind it, you changes given here under the tab groups list automatically applied on iPhone and iPad Safari browser. We can open the groups list under the tabs preview option. Click on tab preview from the bottom right corner of the iPhone screen and click on tab name. See the list of tabs from iPhone's Safari browser as well. Also, find our more new updates, changes, and tips in video descriptions and website links given with updated information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment me for more help, and thumbs up to support. Also, subscribe to this channel for new video notifications.